Got here 3 new DC gadgets. First one has a magnetic fidget clicker, pretty satisfying. Also the machinery work and edges are really nice and pointy, easy to cut through tape, and there's a bottle opener. Next one is a titanium belt clip with the removable tweezers, and they're really nice. So it's like a key holder and at the same time a clip that will stay on the belt, tweezers, and then easily accessible tool. And keychain size Japanese scissors. Paracord 550 rope, and look at that quality. It just cuts through it so easy. I love it. Everyday carry toothpick holder, perfect for keychain or pocket. There's a clip, so there's toothpicks will go into here. Quite a bit of toothpick will hold, close it off. It will waterproof, and that's how we're gonna open it and close it. So take off a toothpick, boom, 1, 2, each shake a toothpick. So cool, and then close it. Got it here 5 EDC gadgets. First one, titanium quick release with a little box opener, and push it up, lock it up. And also there is a dry capsule. Kaiser Ultem dice, very durable, lightweight Ultem, and it's a see-through with this brown color. Next, tweezers, titanium with a little box opener, very cool. Okay, simple, self-explanatory. Pry bar, this one is pretty unique, titanium, also sharp edges, beautiful machinery, anodized titanium, yeah, sharp edges too, easy cut through the tape and easy to remove and scrape off something. And it has a really nice clip for like a money clipper. Then I have glow-in-the-dark fob and glow-in-the-dark bead. The keychain fob glows quite a lot more, but this one is a bead that is attaches on lanyard. Next level, birthday candles. Tired of having wax in your cake? This is a 3+ candles. It takes a while to light up all the candles, then you gotta bring it out to the birthday person, and by the time you bring the candles to the birthday person, all the wax is dripping into the cake. Because the candles are hollow inside of it, so the wax dripping inside of the candle. Let's see how they blow out. Pretty easily. New flashlight you should know about. This is everyday carry, slim flashlight, but also it's a dual battery. So there's a internal battery. If you're out of battery, we can put 2 AAA batteries in here. Just like this, 1, 2, and we don't have to wait till the flashlight recharges. Lock it. There's an indicator which batteries it's on, and changing the moods, and whenever it's go to the brightest mood, that means it was the brightest mood. And the second button for safety. Love the slim design, that way it will fit the pocket easily. It comes with a clip and a lanyard. Magic pen, probably the coolest pen I ever found. So it is a levitating pen with the flat disc holder to where I can just drop it and it will sit in there. And it's kind of fidgety to where I can bounce it. It is a magnet around it. When I need to ride it, all I have to do is, looks like unspin it, ride it, and put this one down this way. If I want to keep it this way, I can. Release it, plug it back in. Water bulb. Turn any bathtub into fresh water reserve in case you're expecting get hit by hurricane or any other kind of natural disaster. Maybe even snow, and I have a well. And if electricity goes out, I have no water. This side here is like a funnel, and then we're going to screw it on. Okay, now it's working. We're going to remove this and put the nozzle on this as well. Now, in case you need water, all you have to do is just unspin this cup, pump it like this. It fills it up pretty fast. Got it here, next level pry bar, bottle opener, pill capsule, and at the same time there's a bits inside here. There's a Phillips head and flathead. Boom, plug it in right here and just hold it and unspin it, twist it. The best part is pry bar, really easy to open packages like paper, or there's a tape cut through tape easily too. And if I need to cut through boxes, I can do that as well. Mini airsoft shooter. So there's some weird stuff sometimes I find. It is quite unique. So this is right here, little pellets that will go into here. Then I got right here fidgeter, and then it's also pretty fidgety right here. And at the same time, you actually can launch things. Just push it down. Let's see. Wow, that's fast. And then release it. Boom, it comes out. Reload, lock it. For today, I got right here tech accessory, smallest keychain screwdriver. I'm gonna get my bead, pull it out, and all I need is a bead to go and plug it in, and I have a little screwdriver that is connects to my keychain. It is a really strong magnet in there, locks in really well. That is awesome. Got right here 3 DC gadgets worth knowing about. First one, butterfly pry bar by O-Knife. This thing is sold out on Amazon. There's a few more on eBay. Glass breaker, and this one is so unique with magnets. Pry bar, beautiful titanium. There it is. Next, tech accessory, Neo Space magnifying glass. I love the out of phone action. And for the last one, this is tech accessory, tiniest flashlight. Definitely the smallest flashlight I've ever seen for the keychain, and it is pretty bright. Love it. Pull string fire starter. It burns up to like 30 minutes. So also they have upgraded it by putting safety in it. So remove that. Now it's ready to go. So this green one is gonna go on a log. We'll put it with this log, like another couple logs around it. Next, I just pull it and it slides up. And it has a flare inside of it, to where it's definitely going to light up the fire starter. It's still burning the flare. Once the flare burns off, we have this good decent amount of flame for about 17 to 30 minutes, I don't remember. Next level pry bar wrench. So this right here, spinnable. It gets pretty tight, but all I have to do is just spin it up. We can see how far it comes out. Bottle opener right here. So tighten up the bicycle, whatever. Push it back in. Then there's 3 bits. All I have to do is just push it down and pull it out. It has a little dent inside of it, so it's easy to remove it. And it goes onto the top right here. And we have a nice screwdriver. And the pry bar is really nice and sharp enough to cut through the tape of the boxes. Safety first, antique vintage bottle opener. This right here opens and it's adjustable up and down. That is cool. So we'll find the middle with this spike, and this is perfect. So we're going to adjust it and tighten it up, and then just push it through and then twist it and open this way. Yes, it is so unique. Boom, and it's open. Yes, I can grab it and lift it. US military paper matches you probably never seen before. So there's a little paper matches with a striker inside of them. All we have to do is just pull them out. Looks like I didn't push hard enough. Grab one. Ooh, wow, after so many years it works. It's saturated with something to a burn time is long time. And also there's similar design with wooden matches. Whoa, definitely have to hold it a bit tighter, maybe not too tight. That is so cool. Oh, okay, just pull it out a little bit. Oh no, just pull it firmly and it comes out so well and lights up. Oh, sits in there tight. Boom, light up a match.